Hey gang, this is definitely going to be a weird video. I'm in a little different spot than normal. Um, but it's hard to get a 16th place, and then it's hard to get enough light on a 16th place. And I tried it on the floor, and it just wasn't working. And I'm like, all right, well, I'll just go to this table and see. So these are Soil Max tile plows from our good friends at Empty Pocket Rebuilds. So shout out to Taylor and Maddie over there and David who crank these out. Yeah, 1/16 scale tile plow is a beast, right? This is pretty huge. These are the tandems. He also has a single, which we do have. And what I love about these is, it's going to be hard to show because I don't have three hands. I have two. I need three. Everything moves. Everything moves here. Like you can see, look, the cylinders are working and all of that. These tandems will walk, so that's super awesome. I mean, you've even got the cylinders up in here, and he has run all of the hydraulic hoses through where they're supposed to be, and it's even got the jack over here, which does raise and lower, in case you're wondering. Decals are all excellent, well done decals. The detail painting is kind of everywhere you would need that. What a cool piece, and I'm pretty happy to announce that we are one of very few people that are carrying these, and we will have these at the Mark Twain show. I believe that is the 20th and 21st of February in Quincy, Illinois. One of the great shows they get. If you're anywhere in the area, you've got to get out to it. It's such a fun show. Just a great group of people there. And then, of course, we'll have it at Lafayette, at the big Lafayette, Indiana show. We'll have a couple of these as well. Right now we've got two of each, two of the tandems, two of the singles in stock. If I sell out of these at Mark Twain at the Quincy show, we'll have some more for Lafayette, or at least we plan to. If we sell out of these at Lafayette, that's your last chance to get these until maybe summer show or even nationals. So just heads up there, if this is something you think you're going to be interested in, you better get it. Jump on it. There's not going to be tons and tons and tons of these made. So, I mean, Taylor's going to make a few, but like I said, not lots and lots. So these are awesome. I hooked it up to my quad track. Again, don't really have room for that here, but the hitch fits perfectly on the quad track. And so just a super awesome outfit. That blade will kind of move, as I showed you earlier, the cylinders. So, if you want to kind of change the position of the blade or the plow, I guess, while you're hooked up, you can even, kind of move that too. So this is a sweet piece. This is a really cool 1/16 scale piece. So gonna keep one for myself, of course, and then we've got 4 that we are going to sell to you guys, like I said, at Quincy. And if we're lucky or if we're fortunate and we sell out there, we will get some more for Lafayette. And then after Lafayette, that's going to be it on these for quite a while. So anyway, guys, I know this was a bit of a short video, and it's Friday, but I wanted to show you these. I think they're worth a look. I love it when people kind of pick up the torch and do short line equipment, and this is super cool, especially being in 1/16 scale. We also have a ton of these in 64 scale. We won't be out of those anytime soon. I bought lots of them, so from Taylor. So we're really fortunate that Taylor kind of allows us to be a dealer for him, and it's been great. You won't find nicer people than Taylor and his wife, and they were able to come down here to the For the Love of Tractors headquarters a few weeks ago and drop these off. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. Hope to see you at the Mark Twain show again, 20th and 21st. I'm pretty sure of February at the Country Inn and Suites. Does that sound right? In Quincy, Illinois. It's right behind the Home Depot. Great show. Great hotel show. Hotel rooms are huge, so it's not crowded. And then there's a ballroom as well. It's just so much fun. And then we'll be at Lafayette. So thanks, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I hope you have an awesome weekend. Treat each other well, and happy tractor hunting.